Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Microsoft Edge on your computer in just a few minutes. Yeah, whether you're setting up a new PC or switching from another browser, this guide will walk you through every step. So let's get started. First, open your current web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any other browser already installed on your computer. Then click the address bar at the top. Next, type microsoft.com/edge into the address bar, then press enter. You'll be taken to the official Microsoft Edge download page. Now, click the download button for your operating system. If you're using Windows, choose the Windows version. If you're using Mac OS or Linux, select the version that matches your device. If a confirmation window appears, review the license terms and click Accept and Download. Your browser will begin downloading the Microsoft Edge installer. Once the download is finished, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. Microsoft Edge will automatically download any remaining files and complete the installation. After the installation is complete, Microsoft Edge will launch automatically. You can sign in with your Microsoft account to sync your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history across your devices, or simply start browsing right away. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Microsoft Edge on your computer. Yeah, I hope this guide helped. If you found it useful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.